In meteorology, we use three types of scale: the Kelvin scale, Fahrenheit scale, and Celsius scale. Suppose that we take a small volume of air and allow it to cool. As the air slowly cools, its atoms and molecules would move more and more slowly until the air reaches at the temperature minus 273 degrees Celsius or minus 459 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the lowest temperature in the universe. So which is the lowest temperature possible? At this temperature we call it absolute zero. Absolute zero means the atoms and molecule would be a minimum amount of energy, and theoretically no thermal motion will exist. So absolute zero is the starting point for a temperature scale. We also call the absolute scale, or this scale we call it Kelvin scale. So Kelvin scale, named after Lord Kelvin, the British scientist. Most of the time in meteorology, the temperature scale we use are Fahrenheit and Celsius. So Fahrenheit scale was developed in early 18th century by physicist Daniel Fahrenheit. So in Fahrenheit scale we have 32, the number temperature at which the water freezes, and number 212, the temperature at water boils. So the 0 point was simply the lowest temperature that ice, water, and salt that has obtained the mixture. So between freezing and boiling points are 180 equal division, each of which called a degree. So a thermometer calibrate the scale referred to Fahrenheit thermometer. So measure object thermometer in degree Fahrenheit. So another scale we use, that's called Celsius scale, named after the NGU Celsius. So the number 0 on this scale is assigned to the temperature at which pure water freezes, and the number 100 to the temperature at which pure water boils at sea level pressure. The space between freezing and boiling is divided into 100 equal degrees. Therefore, each Celsius degree is 180 divided by 100 is equal to 1.8 times larger than a Fahrenheit scale. So 1 Celsius scale is equal to 1.8 Fahrenheit degree. So putting it another way and simplifying, as increase in temperature in 1 degree Celsius is equal to an increase in temperature 1.8 degree Fahrenheit. So there are some equation that we can convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius. If we'd like to convert Kelvin to Celsius, we can use this equation. So from here, absolute zero temperature is minus 273.1 degree, or 0 degree Kelvin, we can say, from the Kelvin scale. And the difference between Fahrenheit and Celsius scale, each degree Celsius is equal to 1.8 degree Fahrenheit. We have to increase or decrease accordingly. So these three scale we usually use in meteorology.